BSC fully automatic sheet feeding paper bag making machine is suitable for mass bag production, and it is the first choice for medium and top-grade handbag devices. This machine adopts mechanical, electricity, light, and gas integration technologies, and uses the paper as a material, finishing the procedures of paper feeding position, die cutting, top card folding, tube forming, gusset forming, bag bottom opening, bag bottom cardboard inserting and bag bottom gluing automatically. It has seamless viscose and compact output. It adopts the PLC program control and frequency control to realize integral multidimensional control, centralized control, and single-point remote control operation. This machine is characterized by good quality and high efficiency, and its technology ranks leading level among similar products. Welcome to contact us and get a free quotation now.